This is an interesting story you've got here, Will, that you've selected for us. This might be, I don't know, maybe the most expensive iPhone app, not Apple product, because I think sometimes you get into those early computers like the Lisa and things like that. Some of those at auction can get pretty crazy, can't they, price-wise?
Yeah, the Apple One and Apple Two.
Apple One and Apple Two.
Those like circuit boards, really.
The collectors want those. We just finished up a video on the AirPower as well. We got our hands on a working
Today we have something
version of it. That's an example of a collector's item. A real prototype. You should definitely go check that out. The forbidden product.
The no-no.
Yeah, well, it's not, again, it's really unique in the sense that they never shut things down after they announce it. But in the case of collector's items, I would put this up there. And obviously, I would put some of those early computers up there. But what about a sealed OG iPhone 1? Still in the plastic wrapper. What would you pay for that? Well, this upcoming auction expects it to go for $42,000. Is that right?
I believe it's $35,000.
Why does it say 42 at the top?
That's the Apple One.
Oh, that was the Apple one. Oh, okay. There you go.
A manual.
But that was found to be a replica. What a twist! There's a lot happening in that headline.
Yeah.
Wild auction story. Rare Apple One manual sold for $42,000. Recently discovered to be a replica, not original, prompting a refund for the winning bid. Sometimes you don't know about this stuff.
Huh.
Even the person that gets their hands on it, you get your hands on it, you think it's authentic. It's hard to authenticate it. You find some better expert down the road and they're like, nah, that's not legit.
But what about NFTs?
Yeah, exactly. No, those weren't around back then. No, they weren't around in the times of the Apple One. Anyway, wow, this past summer we saw an auction of a rare Apple One hardware, including Steve Jobs' prototype Apple One, sell for $700,000. So never mind, we're not even close to that category. $700,000, and an unopened original iPhone, $35,000. So I guess it's not crazy to assume this could go for $35,000. LCG Auctions has the latest unopened first generation iPhone. The bid will end October 16th at 2 p.m. You know what's weird about these never been opened before collector's items? Verifying it without opening it. And then you can't open it because the value goes down so significantly. Sure. And it's like, well, then no one's ever opening it.
Of course not.
And we're all assuming that what is in there. But no one has had a camera on the thing since the beginning. Maybe you have like a serial number. Maybe you have a receipt. But still problematic because it's not impossible to reseal something. So you see these guys that are experts in trying to figure out if it's ever been resealed. They're like, let's try to date the seal on the outside.
Yeah.
It's crazy stuff. But anyway, people are still into collectibles. It's still going on. And like my eyes were open to it when I was getting that prototype and checking out some of the collection. I'm trying to remember the guy's name now. Apple Demo is the collector that this one belongs to. Am I correct about that?
I totally forgot.
Well, dude, it's fine. I'll let you off the hook for this one.
I've been talking to him for like a week.
Go check out the video because there's a shout out in it, and you'll get to the bottom of it over there. But very interesting prototype, and actually it works in the video, which is it's a whole different future in which Apple executes the original AirPower, and then wireless charging is never the same. But anyway, if you want to go bid on this thing, the estimate is $30,000. Go get your bid in and get your factory sealed iPhone 1 to add to your collection.